Hi everyone, Joe Coelho with American Pistachio Growers with your Navel Orangeworm update, coming to you from the Regional IPM Decision Aid System Monitoring Network. So last time I forecasted 250 degree days about the 20th of March. Definitely hit that and we moved past it with unprecedented heat. So I hope you have your traps up and I hope you've begun your conversations with your PCAs, because we are firmly in flight one. So today we're sitting at roughly 350 degree days on March 23rd, and I expect to be somewhere around 500 by April 1st. So if you're an almond farmer and you have almond mummies, start talking to your PCAs about what your plan is going to be for treatment now, about preventing reinfestation or making an assessment of what your sanitation levels are, and perhaps something else is going to drive that decision, like red leaf blots or spider mites. So for pistachios, we're well into bloom as well. Some at green tips, some are the full bloom. So we're considering things more like plant bugs and others that are going to drive the decisions. But there's some potential synergies for some adult knockdown on navel orangeworm depending on your pressure. So again, talk with your PCAs. Really importantly, recording your trap data right now allows us to determine our biofix. It's a really important time to really be trapping and recording your data. So from that biofix, we monitor 1,000 degree days to forecast Flight 2's arrival. The timing of that is really crucial, because it will send a rippling effect downstream if we don't time our whole split sprays correctly in almonds. So the decision aid system can really help model these degree day forecasts and the flight's arrival well in advance, so you're prepared to take action as needed. And we're still wide open for enrollment in the Regional IPM network. We've enrolled tens of thousands of acres already, and we want to work with you. We want to put a camera trap on your property if you're in the pilot areas. So we'll be back again in 2 weeks with another update. Hope you have a great day.